Medtronic Avalus Bioprosthesis, designed for life. From pioneering inventions to bold scientific and medical advancements, the world is shaped by innovations. Cardiac surgery is getting more complex, and patients' life expectancy is getting longer. Surgeons of today and tomorrow require advanced, high-performing solutions for lifetime patient care. For more than 70 years, Medtronic has been committed to advancing cardiac surgery. That is why we created Avalus, the next-generation aortic valve. Unlike many other surgical valves, Avalus is made from polymer. Its design includes a flexible support frame, combined with an ultra-resilient base, which helps maintain valve circularity for consistent hemodynamic performance through time. Patented AOA tissue treatment is highly effective to mitigate calcification and designed to enhance long-term valve durability, as supported by more than 25 years of its clinical use encompassing thousands of patients. The geometry of the Avalus valve and its polymer structure enable possible future valve-in-valve procedures. Extensively studied in the Paragon trial, the largest, latest clinical study of stented aortic valves with more than 1,100 patients enrolled and 38 centers participating globally. The Paragon trial showed Avalus is durable and provides excellent and stable hemodynamics and a high safety profile. Avalus Bioprosthesis, designed for life.